All right, guys, what's up? So I'm in a trade right now for Nero. I decided to long it because of a few conditions. One is because I see this massive trend line where there's a potential to bounce and there's one wave missing. I also see how this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and there could be a 5 to that yellow box. Why that yellow box? Because if you go back, this is where the congested zone is. Not only that, there's literally one subwave missing in the fifth wave. So you see that this is the 4, but where's the fifth wave over here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, there's a fifth wave missing. I think it's going to be a small fifth wave, but nevertheless, I think there's still going to be a fifth wave. So due to that, I decided to long with a 175K position. So every time it tries to get pushed down, it's definitely getting pushed up right now. So I'm up about 500 bucks only, not that much. I'm gonna go for a 1 or 2% scalp here. If it gets to up there, I'll be up a pretty good amount, and that'll be a very good day. So there's 2 green candles so far. Position is 175K or so. Let's see if the market's gonna push it. But the thing about this right now is that the whole market looks kind of bearish now. 15-minute MACD is literally crossing right now as we speak. So if something happens, it's going to be very, very fast and very, very short-lived. So I have to be very, very quick about that. The 1-minute MACD is now coming to the downside. The volume is very low right now. It's getting lower and lower. It's fighting with my super trend indicator line. I don't know, man, if it's going to go up. It's making me very nervous about this trade. But you know what? This is a pretty decent resistance or sort of support so far. It's been trending above this particular super trend indicator of mine. The 1-minute chart still has momentum to go up. So I'm literally fighting for the very last wave to go up. 2-minute chart might have momentum soon to go up. 3 minutes kind of going up. 5-minute has momentum to curve back up as well. So this is kind of one of those trades where you don't really take unless you want to risk things. So let's see if this can make that one final tiny little push to the top that I'm fighting for. Fighting with my super trend indicator line. Like this whole area is a little congestion right now, but we did bounce from that yellow line. Okay, like we did definitely bounce from that yellow line. Like, oh sorry, this super trend line right here, the big, I'll make it blue over here. Okay, so this one, this blue line definitely bounced multiple times, as you can see. So now we're just fighting to break this particular resistance based off of price action. You know, it's just got a big break right here, and then 1% is right, like, you know, a little bit higher, right? So now it's in the 80 ranges. I'm up $500-600. Lots to fight, lots and lots to fight right now. It's not looking good in any way for me, to be quite honest. But you know, the 2-minute chart's about to break upwards. So on the short term, it's looking pretty good right now. Got rejected there, just short term again. I'm probably overexposed, so I don't really want to be in this position, to be honest. But the fifth wave might not even form, and we just might end up crashing down. Because the thing is, like, the thing is, I gotta clean up this chart. There's this gigantic ass blue line where this could literally break down any time as well. It could come down any time, so I'm worried about that. Right, see what I mean? Like right from here, and then it would end. But this fifth wave is seriously missing, right? Like there's got to be a fifth wave in there somewhere. In here, in there. So I'm waiting. Okay, great. I'm up $700. Let's see if there's more momentum to go up. 800. There, the bulls are picking it up 1,000. Good. Just let it go. It's fighting really hard right now. I'm uncomfortable because the thing is, like, you don't really want to catch the very, very last wave like that, like how I'm doing it. Because I'm literally just fighting for a tiny bit right now. Like, you know, whatever this might be, that's what I'm fighting for. But the thing is, it could have very well ended already, like this. Like maybe it even ended already where this is a 3, this is a 4, and that's a 5. Where it made kind of like a triangle. Or right here like that. So that could have been very well it as well, but you know, I'm hoping it's not. If it's not, it's gonna, yeah, I'm hoping it's not. But the 1 minute chart is still going up, right? Like you see the 1 minute chart MACD going up, 2 minute crossed upwards, the 3 minutes about to go up in like 6 seconds, it's gonna cross upwards. So it's just gonna break this little resistance right now. And then once it breaks it, I think it's gonna not fly, but it's gonna definitely have momentum. So let's see. I'm gonna follow it very, very closely. That's why I'm moving everything so fast right now. The 30 seconds still going up, right? It's still going up. It's got momentum, but it's gotta go up higher than that. I think I want to shave some of my position though, because I don't like this. So this is the resistance, and every time it gets up there, it's like, you know, not really performing well in any way. So this might even perform a very, very truncated wave, like where it does something like that, right? And then maybe it won't even finish at all in any way. That's a possibility as well. But now it's going, so it's up 1,000 something. That's really good. Okay. Okay, good. It's going up. All right, it's looking good. I like it. All right, guys. Oh, I wasn't recording that on the camera on the other one here. That's all right. So I took my profit when it broke up above here, guys. So it was a pretty good profit. All right, so that was a pretty decent trade. I took in $1,200. Wasn't really the best position, considering I was in it for a lot more than that. But whatever, I'm happy with that. I'm gonna get out of this trade today, and I'm just gonna call it a night. That was easy. Yeah. So if you guys are in my Discord group, like, you'll know this, guys. You'll know that I call every single trade of mine, right? So I'm updating Nero right now. I'm basically telling the group that there's a fifth wave that I'm trying to find, right? I'm trying to find basically a fifth wave right now, and I'm trying to short this fifth wave at the top. Okay, so I'm telling my elite tier Discord group that there's one more wave to finish a fifth maybe, and then we're gonna short it together. Because, you know, if you're in my group, you're gonna see me basically live trade. So I'm looking to short right now to enter maybe this blue line if it comes down. But the thing is, there's this white line that needs to be very careful. You need to be very careful of this white line. That white line is very significant because it's the resistance for over here. Okay, it's the resistance for here. So the 17644 is very important to understand that. Okay, because like this white line right there. So not only does the blue line need to break down to here, but this also needs to come down. That's the only exception for me entering. So yeah, if you're in my elite tier, man, you'll see all of this. So I live trade pretty much every single day with the elite tier group. And right now there's 4 more slots available to join for the month. The cost is $9.50 to join, but you get access to live trading with me. You also get access to my Philakone course version 3.0, mastering the day trading markets. And you're also going to get access to the advanced volatility scanner, which is this bad boy right here. So this right here is the advanced volatility scanner of mine that you guys might see me use a lot. It's going to help you hunt for the most volatile coins to trade and also give you a really good gauge of the market. So yeah, come join me, guys. A lot of people make very good trades with me. So I highly suggest that you take a look at the link below. There's a lot of information. I'm going to help you become that trader that I know you can become, man. You just got to put in the time. You got to ask questions. Just follow my lead and I'll show you the strategies that I use every single day to capitalize. So cheers, guys. Bam, to a $1,200 profit. And by the way, these are my other longs that I'm in as well. So if you're in the Discord group, you'll see me in it. I'm in a long for about $300,000, 15 positions overall. And yeah, 15 positions. It's up about 8,000 right now. So it's looking good. Come join me in the Discord group, guys, in the elite tier. That's where you want to be.